Today's topic is making friends in English.
Making friends can feel difficult in a new language.
Yes, you may feel shy or nervous.
But don't worry, we will help you step by step.
Before we begin, please comment. Do you want more international friends? Yes or no?
And don't forget to like, comment, share.
Part 1. Why making friends is important. John, why is making friends important?
Friends make life better. You feel happy. You can practice English. You learn new cultures.
Yes, friends help you grow.
Part 2. How to start a conversation. Starting is the hardest part.
Let's keep it simple.
Easy friend-making starters. You can say, "Hi, my name is John. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?"
Or, what do you do? What do you like to do? Part 3. Real conversation. Let's listen to a real example. Hi, my name is Lily.
Hi, Lily. I'm John. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. What about you?
I'm from Cambodia.
Oh, nice. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I work in an office.
Part 4. Talking about interests. After introductions, talk about interests.
Yes, this helps build connection. What do you like to do for fun?
I like watching movies and listening to music. What about you?
I like sports and playing games.
Oh, nice. We both like relaxing activities.
Part 5. Funny story. Lily, I have a funny story.
Tell me.
One time, I wanted to say, "Let's hang out." But I said, "Let's hang you out."
What?
My new friend looked scared.
Part 6. Embarrassing story. I have one too. I met someone new and I said, "Nice to meet me." I was so nervous.
Part 7. Useful tips. Tip 1. Be yourself. Be natural. You don't need perfect English.
Tip 2. Ask questions. People like talking about themselves.
Tip 3. Listen carefully. Show interest. Say, "That's nice," or "Really?"
Tip 4. Practice regularly. The more you speak, the easier it becomes.
Part 8. Practice section. Repeat after me. Hi, my name is John.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
What do you like to do? Part 9. Longer conversation. Let's try a longer conversation.
Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Nice. My name is John.
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. That's great.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like music and movies.
Me too. Maybe we can watch a movie sometime.
That sounds nice. Part 10. Encouragement. Dear listeners, making friends takes time.
But every conversation helps.
Start small and keep going.
Summary. Today we learned how to start a conversation, how to introduce yourself, how to talk about interests, useful tips for making friends.
And remember, be confident and friendly. Thank you for listening.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Please don't forget, like, comment yes or no. Do you want more friends? Share.
See you next time.